Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for image editing. ChatGPT is an AI language model and it does not have the capability to edit image. However, there are many AI-powered image tools available that you can use to edit your image, and here are some popular ones. And we'll use ChatGPT to search on it. First is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a professional image editing software that is widely used in the industry. It offers a wide range of advanced tools and features to edit and manipulate images. Next is GIMP or GIMP. It's a free open source image editing software that is a great alternative to Adobe Photoshop. It offers a range of tools and features to edit and enhance image. Next is Canva. Canva is an online graphic design tool that offers a range of templates, stock image, and design elements to help you create stunning visuals. It also offers basic image editing tools to crop, resize, and adjust image. Fourth is Pixlr. Pixlr is a free online image editing tool that offers a range of basic editing tools and filters to enhance your images. It is easy to use and requires no download or installation. Last is Photor. Photor is another free online image editing tool that offers a range of editing tools and filters to enhance your images. It also ranges design templates and graphics for social posts, banners, and more. So to use any of these tools, simply upload your image and use the available tools and features to edit and manipulate your image as desired. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!